स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Heard Dr. R.K. Srivastav, Learned Counsel for the Appellant, Shri Muhammad Arif Khan, Learned Senior Counsel for the Respondents and the Learned Additional Chief Standing Counsel for the State Respondents who have raised a preliminary objection with regard to the maintainability of this special appeal full stop para. This special appeal has been filed against an order dated 23/12/2015 finally disposing of the substitution and abatement applications in a pending writ petition that arises out of a challenge raised to the decision of the consolidation authorities in exercise of the powers under the UP Consolidation of Holdings Act 1953 full stop para. The issue is as to whether such an order passed by the learned single judge in a pending writ petition disposing of substitution matters can be subjected to an intra-court appeal under Chapter 8 Rule 5 of the Allahabad High Court Rules 1952, and secondly, even if it is entertainable, then as to whether the learned single judge was justified in interpreting the provisions of Chapter 8 Rule 38A of the 1952 rules read with Section 141 of the Code of Civil Procedure to hold that the provisions of Order 22 CPC would not apply to writ proceedings full stop para. If the first question is answered in the negative, then it would not be necessary to proceed to answer the second question on merits full stop para. The stamp reporter has also reported that the court may examine the issue of the maintainability of the special appeal full stop para. Shri Srivastav, learned counsel for the appellant, has vehemently urged that Chapter 8 Rule 5 does not bar the entertainment of an intra-court appeal against an order passed in the writ petition itself while the writ petition is still pending full stop. He has relied on the judgment in the case of Midnapur People's Corporation Bank Limited and others versus Chunni Lal Nanda and others to urge that such an order during the pendency of a writ petition would fall within the definition of a final decision, and therefore the language of Chapter 8 Rule 5 would take within its fold an order of the nature presently in question, as the order has finally disposed of the substitution applications in a writ petition and is not an order by consolidation authorities in its original jurisdiction or appellate jurisdiction so as to bar the special appeal full stop para. He has further invited the attention of the court to other judgments on the merits of the matter, contending that the learned single judge was not right in declining to apply the principles of Order 22 of CPC while disposing of the substitution and abatement applications full stop para. The issue as to when a special appeal would be maintainable and in what circumstances under Chapter 8 Rule 5 is no longer res integra and has been subject matter of consideration in several decisions of this court, including the division bench judgment in the case of Vajra Yojana Seed Farm Kalyanpur in bracket Messrs and others versus presiding officer Labor Court 2nd UP Kanpur and another that came to be affirmed by a full bench decision in the case of Sheet Gupta versus state of UP and others full stop para. The present matter arises out of proceedings that terminated before the Deputy Director Consolidation under the UP Consolidation of Holdings Act 1953 full stop. The orders under challenge in the writ petition are the revisional and appellate orders passed under the aforesaid act, and therefore the writ petition was maintainable before a learned single judge according to the bifurcation of the jurisdiction as determined by the High Court. Full stop. Over. तो दोस्तों ये आपके मतलब की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन हो गया है. डिक्टेशन लेके बताइएगा कि कैसा लगा. ठीक है, डिक्टेशन और इसकी मिस्टेक बताइएगा कितनी हुई. अब रेगुलर डिक्टेशन तो हम डाल नहीं पा रहे हैं इस वक्त क्योंकि थोड़े कमिटमेंट्स ज़्यादा हो गए हैं इस वजह से, लेकिन हम कोशिश करेंगे कि कुछ मतलब रेगुलर बेस पे हम डिक्टेशन डालें. एटलीस्ट कम से कम 1 या 2 डिक्टेशन तो डाल ही दें. ठीक है, ताकि आप लोग को डिक्टेशन हाथ चलता रहे, मिलता रहे. ठीक है, और इसमें कुछ नाम वगैरह आए हुए हैं. शीत गुप्ता है तो ये शीत पूरा बनेगा SH थ्रो द लाइन और T शीत गुप्ता, और केप्ट केवल बना दीजिए गुप्ता के लिए, डबल डैश लगा दीजिएगा. और कल्याणपुर आपका बनेगा कलनपुर के अपवर्ड L N का हुक और उसी में PR जोड़ दीजिए. ठीक है, कलनपुर. और वज्र बनेगा क्या, जैसे वज्र जैसे विलेजर बनाते हैं ना, विलेजर, तो उसमें V में L का हुक होता है, इसमें बस हुक नहीं रहेगा. अबव द लाइन V और J में R का हुक, वज्र मतलब V का स्ट्रोक और फिर JR. और योजना के लिए ये से काट दीजिए बस योजना, और सीड पूरा बनेगा और फार्म भी पूरा बनेगा. कल्याणपुर हम आपको बता ही चुके हैं, और कुछ नहीं बनेगा. ठीक है, और इसमें कोई नाम चुन्नी लाल तो बहुत इजी है. थ्रो द लाइन चे N और नीचे चे N का स्ट्रोक, फिर एक L डाउनवर्ड, फिर एक L डाउनवर्ड. चुन्नी लाल हो गए. नंदा भी NND. ठीक है, और कोई है? चलिए, और कोई नहीं है. और कोई होता है तो कमेंट करिएगा. कमेंट का आंसर हम देंगे, लेकिन देंगे ज़रूर. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करते चलिएगा.